What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking a chicken and rice protein bowl. Hope y'all enjoy.
Fire up, let the flavor flow. Greg's on the grill and he's running the show. Burgers, ribs, and more to try. Grilling with Greg, oh me, oh my.
Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, I already have it cooking, but this is a rice cooker that goes in the microwave. I do 2 cups of rice with 2 cups of water. However much rice I do the same amount of water. So I got that cooking. Do it for 5 minutes and then at 100% power, and then I turn it to 15 minutes at 50% power, and then whenever it's done, it's done. Next on the list, get you a pan. Don't really matter the size. This is just what your chicken's gonna go on. But get you a pan. Wrap it with tin foil so you don't have to mess with the pan, getting all that grease and chicken stuff in it. So go ahead, put this down, get this ready. Get that ready for the chicken, and now we're gonna work on the chicken. All right, so next up, actually before we get to the chicken, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use our oven, hit bake, put it to 375. Hit somewhere, we're gonna hit something, start, that's it. So we're gonna let that heat up, and while that heats up, we're gonna get the chicken ready. All right, so what I did is I got this little grate thing, and I'm just gonna put it over the pan like that. I got some coconut oil spray. Just go ahead and give that a good spray. You don't want your chicken sticking. It's never good. And then now you can get your chicken, spread it out. Wash your hands first. And then get your chicken, spread it out, set it on. Get your chicken, spread it out, set it on. It calls for 6 to 8 pieces of chicken. So we're going to use all the pieces of chicken because I got 6. And it's chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's the chicken that we're using. Just like that. I'm going to wash my hands real quick, then we're going to season it. Alright, so what I'm going to be using is Killer Hogs AP seasoning. It's basically just salt, pepper, garlic. That's all it is. So we're going to open this up. And we're going to sprinkle one side. Like that. It's okay to make a mess. That's why you have a girlfriend or a wife to clean it up.
No.
She didn't like that one. She's behind the camera. We're gonna flip them on over. Season the other side. And this is just salt, pepper, and garlic. So nothing too crazy, nothing seasoning. We're gonna be making a glaze for it. I'm gonna go ahead, flip them back over because I like cooking with that side up, you know, the main side up first. Alright, so we're gonna let this sit and we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, so while we're waiting on our oven to heat up to put our chicken in, we're gonna start on the glaze that we're gonna put on the chicken. So what I have is 1 jalapeno. What I like to do, come over here, cut both ends off, give it a nice slice right down there. Open her up. Come in with your knife. Like so. Comes right out. Go ahead and throw it in where your chicken used to be. And I'm gonna rinse this and get all the seeds out. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna julienne it. So just use some small, real thin slices. Oh. Don't cut yourself. I'm a professional, so I can do it that way. And then just kind of get as close as you can, because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove all this junk. Get these close together. And if you guessed I'm gonna chop it, you're right. And you're just gonna keep on slicing until it's nice and fine. Just like that, and we're gonna set this to the side. All right, oven just beeped at me, so it's ready. And what we're gonna do, go ahead and slide this chicken in. All right, now we're gonna start on the glaze. So what we have, low sodium soy sauce. Let's make sure the top's off. That's not. There we go. What we're gonna do with the low sodium soy sauce, turn that off so it stops beeping at us, is 6 tablespoons of the soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 tablespoons of any type of honey you like. I like using natural honey that's from my area. So this one is honey from my area. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this if it wants to come out. Uh-oh. I'm out of honey. It's talking to me, ain't it? Alright. Alright, so we got our 2 tablespoons of honey. And then we're gonna add our jalapeno. You could do any type of chilies that you like. I just like jalapeno, so I'm gonna do jalapeno. You could do any type of chilies. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this to a boil. So I'll see y'all whenever we get it to a boil. All right, so while we're getting that to go to a boil, what I'm gonna do, get your garlic, pop it. Just like that, and we're gonna chop it up. Nice and fine. All right, that should be good. And now once that gets to a boil, we got some more stuff to put in it. All right, so we got it to stop boiling. It's not scalding hot. So now we're just gonna add our garlic, as so. Add our garlic. That should be good. With that, we're gonna mix it up just a little bit and let it sit in that heat. Just like that, as so. Let it sit there, and we're gonna wait for that timer to get halfway, and we'll put our first glaze on. All right, so now what we're gonna do is you look over here, our chicken's at the halfway point. So we're gonna go ahead, open this up, grab this. You're gonna grab this, take the whisk out, pull this out, like that, so. And then grab your whisk. Then you're gonna grab your whisk, grab your sauce, come down here. I'm gonna put a nice coat, lather her up. All right, so now we got the chicken, put the glaze on both sides. Now we're gonna start with our vegetables. So what we did, we got broccoli. What you're gonna do, if you have it on a head, kind of just cut it. Try to make it as even as possible, roughly around the same size. And we normally do edamame beans, but our store didn't have edamame beans, so we're doing beans, green beans instead. So what we're gonna do is get your spray. You can do regular oil or spray oil, don't really matter. We're gonna crank this up like that. Then we're gonna put our broccoli in, as so, and our beans, as so. And get that nice in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that AP seasoning again, which is just salt, pepper, garlic. We're just gonna throw it on in there, like that. And we're gonna let this cook in this pan. We're gonna get that pan scalding hot. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a nice char on it before you start mixing it again. So get that nice char, then start mixing. So we'll see y'all whenever it's ready to start charring. All right, so now you can start smelling whenever it gets that char, and as you can see, some of these have a little bit of char on it. So we're gonna go ahead, mix these up now. Oh, there goes the green bean. Mix them up, just like that. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit, and I'm gonna throw this on top to help get it all cooked. All right, so what we did, chicken got done cooking. It's all sitting at 165 degrees. So we're gonna grab 3 pieces because I'm feeding 3 mouths. 2 loud mouths, 1 normal mouth. All right, so we got our 3 pieces. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna chop them up into small. But we're gonna do this to all 3 of them, and we're gonna start setting up our protein bowl. All right, so we're gonna get our chicken. We're gonna try to get this chicken on our knife. So, come, lay it down like that. I'm gonna grab me a fork. So. Just a little bit of avocado, like that. Come over here, we get some green beans and broccoli, just like that. And then that is our protein chicken bowl, rice and chicken bowl. So next step, just try it. All right, now we're on to my favorite step, trying it. So overall what we got, white rice, broccoli, green beans, chicken with a glaze on it, a little honey glaze. And we got some avocado. So, let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, and some green onions. Put some green onions in there. See how it is. So good. One of my favorite meals because it's good, it's healthy. You can eat a nice portion size and not feel like crap after eating it because it's healthy food. So that's why I really like it. It's a good meal prep meal. I'll eat this all week, but that is phenomenal. Really, really good. All right, guys, I want to appreciate y'all watching. Also, thank y'all for 500 subscribers. It's been a little goal of mine. Next steps, 1,000. So getting ready. Let's push hard to 1,000. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see me cook next, and see y'all next time.